Ray Brown Air Conditioning and Heating and Commercial Refrigeration is a family-owned and operated air conditioning company that has been serving the families of Brevard County, Florida for over 45 years. We provide quality AC repair services and complete new air conditioning unit installation for residential and commercial needs. Our professional and factory-trained technicians, install and service teams are standing by to help whenever your heating, cooling, or duct system needs to be repaired, serviced, or replaced. So give us a call today. We look forward to serving you. Ray Brown Air Conditioning and Heating and Commercial Refrigeration, 321-452-4055.